Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have your dataset open, so start by deciding the variable you need and its type: numeric for calculations, string for labels. First action: inspect with describe and summarize to know missingness and ranges. Then type a generate command, gen nuvar equals expression, or if you need complex group calculations, plan an edgen instead. Make sure variable names are short, no spaces, and start with a letter. These choices avoid later errors when you manipulate or merge files. Now write the command that actually creates values. Use gen nuvar equals price asterisk 0, 05 or gen flag equals age greater or equal 65 to create indicators. If you need group summaries, use bysort ID, edgen meanval equals mean score. Apply qualifiers like if year equals 2020 to restrict rows. Once generated, check with list or tabulate. If corrections are needed, use replace nuvar equals expression if condition. Also add labels with label variable and label define to document the variable purpose. Finish by validating results. Run summarize and tabulate to confirm distributions and check for unexpected missing values. Create a histogram or scatter to visualize relationships. If everything is correct, save your dataset. Always keep an original backup before overriding. If values look off, troubleshoot by revisiting the command. Common issues are incorrect variable types, misplaced parentheses, or unintended if qualifiers. Once fixed, rerun the gen or replace command and recheck. This iterative check keeps your analysis reliable and reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.